sauce, Kikkoman soy sauce. Observed a lot of. Oh, the smell. Wow, get rice. All like this. Hello everyone, my name is Keita from Japanese Chef Cooking Plus in Australia. Today I'm making easy Japanese meal, Japanese braised eggplant rice bowl. This recipe is easy, affordable, and perfect for home cooking. It's great for weekly dinner. You only need a few basic ingredients. Those are ingredients: soy sauce, Kikkoman soy sauce, mirin, sake, and rice vinegar. Mitsukan brand. This is Japanese brand. And sugar, corn flour, and white sesame. Eggplants. This beautiful one. Alright, it's ready. Let's get started. First, cut the eggplant and slice it to 1 centimeter. After this, we soak this eggplant in the water. Eggplant can absorb a lot of oil, so we soak in the water first. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, 1, 2. Next is mirin, 1 tablespoon. Cooking sake, 1 tablespoon. Rice vinegar, half tablespoon. Sugar, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Mix it like this. After soaking the eggplant, drain well. Then hot and dry with paper towel. The next is corn flour. Lightly coat the eggplant with corn flour. Just a thin layer. Like this. Cover all of them. Turn on the stove high heat. 4 tablespoons light olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. The pan is nice and hot. We add the eggplant. The pan is a little bit small, so just like cut in half. Too big. I add a little bit more oil. Now cooking time is about 3-4 minutes. Check. Oh, it started nice color. Flip the eggplant. Yes, started nice color. 10 to medium heat. Cook the other side. Cook other side about 3 to 4 minutes. Eggplant cooks like nice and soft. We add the sauce. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it smells. And flip the eggplant. Cook until the sauce becomes thicker. Wow, wow, wow. The sauce is nice and thicker. Look at this, very shiny. Mirin make it shiny like this. So important ingredient. Eggplant is nice and soft like this. Got this, turn on the heat. And spring onion, sesame seeds. That's it. It looks so nice. Smells amazing. Okay, let's have a taste. Hot. This is like a leftover rice. Ooh, hot. Done rice, and I put this on top. Wow. And some spring onion. Let's show you how to eat this one. Get rice, rub like this. And oh my god. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Okay, put rice on top like this and get rice all like this. Can you see? Can you see? That is super delicious. Please try it. Please. It's awesome. Just I cooked for maybe 15 minutes. It takes about 15 minutes. And delicious like this. Oh. Now, very hot sweat. Beer. いただきます。Now, in Australia, it started the summer, end of the November. Very hot. And eggplant, summer vegetable, is very good season. And please try this. today, tomorrow. One time. Ooh, look at this. Dark. Look at them. Very juicy. Kids also love this one. Believe me. Alright, how was today's recipe? Japanese glazed eggplant rice bowl. It's amazing, isn't it? It takes about 15 minutes, easy to make. So please try to cook at home for your family, for yourself. In my channel, I show you how to cook easy, affordable Japanese home cooked meal. And please subscribe my channel and please watch next video as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in another video. またねー